In this video you will learn how to make your Roblox social profile private. Log into your Roblox account, go to the Roblox website and or app and sign in with your username and password. Open account settings, click the gear icon in the upper right hand corner of your screen, then select settings from the drop down menu. Go to your privacy tab. In the left hand menu select privacy to access your account privacy or communication controls. Adjust social or profile settings. Scroll down to the other settings or who you can see and choose who you can see your friends list, followers, inventory and social links. Select no one for maximum privacy and security. Review contact or communication settings. You can also adjust who messages you, chats with you or invites you to private servers to ensure only trusted friends can reach you. Save changes and test your profile. Click save to confirm your privacy settings and view your own profile as a visitor to make sure your social information is hidden and restricted. Now you know how to make your Roblox social profile private. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.